IKEA SLIBB Clothes Pin. SLIBB clothes pegs are easy to open and good at fixing your wet laundry on a drying hanger, clothesline, or drying rack. Thanks to the wide opening, you can use them for thicker garments too. The included loop allows you to hang the clothes peg on a towel rail, practical for example when traveling and staying in a hotel. For just $1.49, you will get 8 packs of clothespins. I really like this clothespin and will probably buy it again. With these clothes pegs, you can easily hang your wet laundry on a drying hanger, clothesline, or drying rack.